Philippines.
Murado din nila ang bata niya.
Resistance
Para mo yun
fighters.
magtaom.
Execution. 1943, nag-react na yung 1941, nag-react yung United States. Kasama yung mga Filipino.
Tapos,
Nagpa-fight sila ng Japanese.
yan.
Yes.
Eh, yung Titanic.
Ano pa?
Di ba yun ang war?
Ay, hindi pa yun.
Ano pa yun?
Yung sa Europe, para lang may resistance fighters fought differently. May mga landings. Dito, may mga landings. May mga dogfights. It's a tank battle. Sa iba pa. 1944, naliliberate na yung Philippines.
Wow.
It's liberation of the Philippines. It took 1 year. One final year.
19 ano na yan?
1945. They finally took, the Axis powers have finally been defeated. Italy, Nazi Germany, and Imperial Japan. Ayun na.
Ayun na yun.
Yeah.
Ano yung mga name nung mga sa World War?
Yung name sa World War.
Opo, sino-sino yun sila?
I don't know. The hero of Europe, Audie Murphy, American, killed so many, I can't even say, so many soldiers, so many Kroats, o iba pa, I don't know, mga German. 1944, they call, many people called him the short, brave soldier. And then, yung mga admiral pa, hindi ko alam yung mga admiral.
Pag-aralan mo yung mga admiral.
Winston Churchill. At siya yung also one of the heroes of Europe.
Sino?
Mad Jack or Jack Churchill. I don't know how many people. I don't know.
Sino nagtuturo nito?
Wala, pinapanood
alam ko lang.
Wala mo lang.
Alam ko lang.
Yung Titanic, baby.
Ang Titanic daw.
1912. 1912. Yung Titanic.
Oo.
1912. 14th of April. It's a cold night. No stars, no clouds, no moon.
Ilang?
All the crew of the Titanic. 200. All the 20 crew of the Titanic. And 2,220 souls aboard, including the captain. Was all aboard.
Ilang people ang namatay doon?
Not yet. The architect of the Titanic said, "Not even God can sink my ship." Hours later, into the 14th of April, the Titanic sunk due to an iceberg. It's flooded 6 compartments already. 5 hours, 3 hours later, the ropes has lost the grip. The Titanic split apart and sunk with its inventor. That's all. Ayun na.
Okay na.
Yes. Okay na.
Ilang people nga namatay sa Titanic?
At least 150,000 souls died peacefully, including the captain.
Yung isang ano, ship, ano yon?
The RMS Carpathia tried to save as many lives as possible as it can. The closest one was another ship, but it didn't respond. That's all. The Carpathia and hit that notification bell para hindi po kayo maka-miss ng bagong video namin. Bye-bye!